Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download FigJam templates for UX workshops, full guide step by step clearly. To download FigJam templates for your UX workshops, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the FigJam website. If you don't already have an account, sign up for one. Log in to your FigJam account. Once logged in, look for the Templates section in the main menu. Click on the Templates link. Browse through the available templates categorized for different purposes. Use the search bar to find specific templates relevant to your workshop needs. When you find a template you like, click on it to open the details page. Review the template description and any previews provided. If you're satisfied with your choice, look for the duplicate or use template button. Click on this button to copy the template to your own FigJam workspace. Once the template is duplicated, you can make any necessary adjustments. Be sure to save your changes regularly. After finalizing your adjustments, your template is ready for your UX workshop. Now you can invite collaborators to join your session. Share the link to your FigJam workspace with your team. Prepare for a productive workshop using your newly downloaded template. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.